Hi guys, and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. I wanted to make this video because we recently had a problem with our caravan, and I thought it would be worth sharing how our insurance company dealt with it. Hopefully, you'll never need to make a claim on your caravan insurance, but if something does go wrong, that is when you find out how good your insurance really is. We were travelling down the M6 motorway, going on our holiday. For people who know us, they probably know where we were going, when we had a tyre blowout on the caravan. Unfortunately, it wasn't just a point of changing the tyre and carrying on, or changing the wheel and carrying on with our journey. The blowout caused quite a bit of damage. It created a big hole in the floor of the caravan and damaged some of the cables underneath. So obviously that was the end of our holiday, and we had to contact our insurance company. I phoned the insurance company to explain what had happened. They told me they needed 2 estimates of repair, which I thought not too bad. I thought they'd probably want 3, but they only needed 2. The whole process was actually very straightforward. We were able to submit photographs of the damage and the quotes or estimates for the repair online, so there was no messing about with postage and sending things back, back and forth. It was all done online. And this is the bit what really impressed me. From the very first phone call to the insurance company, it took just 10 days for the claim to be paid out. 10 days. Considering the damage involved, I thought that was pretty quick. Obviously, every insurance claim is different, and I can only talk about our experience with our claim. But from our point of view, the insurance company dealt with it quickly. The online claims procedure was easy to use, and we weren't left waiting around for weeks and weeks on end. So my verdict. Would I recommend them? Based purely on the experience we had with our claim, I'd have to say yes. The real test of insurance isn't when everything's going well, it's when something goes wrong. We had a tyre blowout on the M6, ended up with a large hole in the floor of the caravan, damaged electrical cables, and from making the first phone call, the claim was paid out in 10 days. For us, that's a pretty good result. If you're interested, I'll put the name of the insurance company in the description, along with any relevant details I can think of. And if you've had similar experience with insurance companies, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Let's all hope we have a trouble-free caravanning year. Bye for now.